You've just finished installation and commissioning, and trial production begins. The first 3 months are when most problems show up. Unstable coding, minor equipment glitches, production not hitting targets. A lot of shop owners panic and think they bought a lemon, but usually it's just the break-in period that hasn't been run properly. During break-in, focus on 2 things. First, parameter fine-tuning, pre-treatment bath concentrations, curing oven temperature profile, gun voltages, and air pressure. These are only roughly set during commissioning. Once production starts, you need to dial them in one by one. Keep a daily log of process parameters and coding quality to find the sweet spot. Second, mechanical bedding in. Chains need to run in, bearings need full lubrication, and all sections need to settle into sync. That takes time. Don't push full load right away. Gradually increase the load and let the equipment run smoothly before you ramp up output. A well-run break-in sets you up for long-term stability. A few hiccups early on are normal. Don't jump to the conclusion that the equipment is bad. How long did your break-in period last? Drop a comment. Let's compare notes.
摘要 Together we color the world.